Hey friends, this is the MrsVolfie. Hang on. Oh, it's so good and so scalding hot. This is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead plus with a tea break. And if you hear me always say just our half-acre homestead, well, folks, it's been 9 years. I'm not going to be changing that overnight anytime soon. The best I can do is put the plus sign on the opening, in the intro of my videos. I'm having a really hard time, and it's not a big deal. But it is a big deal. Okay. I have been on YouTube, I believe it was since September 2009. And I have learned so much from so many people. Somebody who took me under their wing, everybody knows Noreen of Noreen's Kitchen took me under her wing and she taught me everything. The problem with YouTube is they're constantly changing. They're constantly changing. And it's not about ads and earning money or anything. They're just constantly changing how you communicate with your subscriber base. This is the key. I've discovered it is the key. Now you can get, go through all these YouTube content creator videos and they'll tell you how to do this and do that. And they don't tell you how to do anything. They just tell you, they just blow a bunch of smoke up your woohoo. Okay. So when I first started realizing that, I had a subscriber base, which I now call my YouTube family, I would get an email. When someone commented on a video, I would get an email. Now, I know there's a lot of people out there that say, I was getting 60 bazillion emails a day. I don't care. I like to know when someone has connected with one of my videos. So they stopped sending these emails. I might get 5 emails a day from YouTube where I used to get, hundreds. But what I would do was, whenever I was notified that there was a comment, I would click on the link in my email and I would answer that comment. And all my comments were getting answered. Most of them, even with only a thank you sometimes. Have y'all noticed that I'm not answering comments lately? And do you know why that is? Because YouTube's at it again. Okay. I used to get an email saying someone's commented on your video, and I would go, woo, and I would get excited and I would answer the comment. Then then one day I got less and less and less comments. And I would go check my video, and sure enough, there'd be, 100 comments on there, and I'd gotten 1 email. So then I found out I had to go into the community section and then go to the community page of my channel and sit there and answer all the comments. Yes, that kind of made it easier, but I still wasn't getting notified. Today, I got a notification of a comment on today's video and I clicked on it and YouTube pulled it up. And all around the video was nothing but white blank screen. There were no comments to see. And this is becoming an issue because I've had several people email me and say, the comments have been disabled from your video. And it's like, no, they haven't. So YouTube, what the hell? Because when I pull up my community page now, it's got a picture and this and that from 6 months ago. I can't find the threads for today's comments, and I can't get them by clicking on the video. So how am I supposed to stay connected with my YouTube family? I don't know, man. It's like every time I get a handle on how I can stay connected with my YouTube family, YouTube goes, tosses it up in the air, and then wherever it lands goes, oh, let's make those the rules for today. If I'm a little upset, well, folks, I miss you. I'm not getting the comments. I'm not getting the emails. And I can't get into my community because it's all mismatched. So I'm not deserting you folks. YouTube is driving a wedge between us. Now, yeah, I'm going to get my hair cut today. And I made a decision that if I feel like saying don't look at my hair, I'm going to say don't look at my hair. Do you know why? Because the one time I don't say don't look at my hair, somebody says, comb your hair. And I know it's somebody who's, never been, on my channel. Oh, Jesus, the static. I'm on my way to the barber, okay? But it's usually somebody who doesn't, it's like this. For God's sakes, blow your nose. Give me a break, okay? I'm overwhelmed with a lot of stuff. So what I did yesterday or the day before is I started checking out other formats for my videos. And I went to one called Freedom. And I thought, well, I'll look for another venue for my Cooking with Cannabis channel, because this is another passion of mine, is all the wonderful uses of hemp products and cannabis products, not just medical, but material wise and concrete and all these awesome things. And I want to be a part of that paradigm shift. I want to be the face of the new cannabis culture. I'm not a stoner. I'm not a drinker. I'm not a smoker. I'm just in pain. Okay. And I'm allergic to most I have chemical sensitivity. So that makes sense. So I thought, well, YouTube is really killing me because I have like 2,000 more subscribers on my Cooking with Cannabis channel than my reading channel. I'm getting more hits, more views, and more comments, but I'm getting nothing from this channel. I'm telling you, YouTube just wants everybody. They want to keep all the advertising dollars for themselves. And I never started all these channels for money. I had no idea you could make money. Okay. It's got nothing to do with that. It has to a certain degree, because when you've been at it for 9 years and you actually start to earn a bit of an income, then they mess with it. And that gets personal. You know what I mean? That's really personal. And now they're messing with how I communicate with my YouTube family. That's just totally unacceptable. So I went to this one thing called Freedom, and I applied and I laid out all my stuff for my Cooking with Cannabis channel, and they just said, sorry, we don't think that's up our alley. It's like, you're called Freedom, for God's sakes. You know what I mean? So that's what's going on. I'm on my way out right shortly here because I have to go get a haircut, and I'm taking my truck in. It's another sad. If you notice I'm a little sad today, well, there's a lot of stuff going on. I need a haircut. I've got Frankie is going to the vet tomorrow to get her shots updated and make an appointment to get fixed. Yes, that's coming. And I'm going to trade my truck in, because with the new motorhome, oh God, wait till you hear all the stuff we've been through with this motorhome so far. But with the new motorhome, I found out, how he talked to me about it. Our insurance, because my truck is a 5.6 liter Hemi V8 Dodge 1500 4x4. Well, not only is it a pig in gas, but my yearly tags are more expensive. My plates are more expensive, and so is my insurance. So between the gas, the plates, and the insurance, I'll lay money. I'm going to save $50 a month just if I trade it in for a minivan. I know, folks, a minivan. MrsVolfie driving a mall assault vehicle. But that's okay because, you know, we used to have a minivan. And I'm thinking we'll trade the truck in. We'll get a decent price. We'll lower our payment. And we'll also lower our insurance, our cost of gas. And I'm going to get the kind with the stow and go seating, the really easy stow and go seating, so that if I have to, or if we have to, all the back seats can go pop, 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 pop down, and we have a covered truck to load lumber in, animals, whatever. So, yeah, life is shifting at an alarming rate. And I just hope I can keep up. So, folks, if you, you know, if you have something more important to say than just thanks for sharing, like if you have something you really want to say, like, hey, you know, get a haircut, or hey, how you doing? Or, you know, why haven't you answered my questions? Folks, you got to email me. I'm actually thinking of setting up a brand new email address, but then, you know, I would have to start all over again. So if you need to talk to me, or if you have a question, or you just liked my video, go ahead and comment on it, because I'm pretty sure it could be my internet for all I know. But email me and put something in the subject line that says question or comment, and I will make sure I get back to you. Okay? Any way I know how. This is Bev from Our Half Acre Homestead Plus. This is the Mrs. Volfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying, I don't mess, you know, the mess with everything else, but don't mess with how I communicate with my YouTube family. That's just wrong. That's just wrong on so many levels, right? Isn't it? Take care. God bless.